Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix jumpy transition when changing camera lenses in iPhone Pro smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the camera application. And now you can see the camera. So let me try to show you the main issue. So you can see here, it start to jump when I try to move the smartphone closer or away from the object. So in order to fix this jumpy transition issue, what you need to do is just open the settings and now just click on this camera option. Now scroll down below. Now you will see here one option written macro control. Just turn it on. Now you can just minimize it. Now let us reopen the camera application. Now you can see here one flower-like icon appearing on the left side. Just disable it by tapping on it. So now let me move the iPhone smartphone closer or far away from the object. So it's not showing anymore the jumpy transition. So this jumpy transition mainly occurs due to the macro features available on the iPhone Pro models. So finally we have fixed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix jumpy transition when changing camera lenses in iPhone Pro smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.